Okay, we are back to lab 6, and just now I did the spooled files by applying different kinds of shifts, and then after I press enter, I'm back to the spooled files, and to show again what resulted from the running of the program, the CL program. We have the day shift and afternoon shift, and then night shift and all shift. That's the entirety of the all the workers. So let's talk about the rest. Now, back in the options, we have the printer file override and database file override. So these are important. It depends on whether your midterm could cover this as well, or if not, then you are gonna expect them just in the labs or maybe in the final. Of course, I'm not the instructor, but anyway, this is what I did. So, as I said, that's this is just about it. And personally, I have the spooled files anyway. And at the end, there's another thing called sndpgmmsg. It is okay to clear out an output queue in school, but never at work. So what it means is, remember, I just cleaned up all the spool files here, but normally you don't do this. This is just to practice using clear out queue. So this is it, and we are not done yet because we still need to deal with the modules. So far, what we did is a dynamic call, and now we need to do something new. It's called a static call. So for static call, I'm still trying to see if I missed something. So here we have this, right? But the final steps, now that I can already run more than half of the lab, we still need to do a third version. So here you go. In payroll PG3, it is the same thing. The same thing here, basically. We are just copying from this to this, but we just need to do a few more lines. That is, run paypgm3. Again, we have the same stuff here, but the most important difference is that we used to have dynamic calls, and now we have static calls. So it's called callprc. It's a call procedure payroll PG3 because we want to. Now we have dynamic calls in PG2, right? Version 2. In version 3, we only does one thing difference being these static calls. So that's why we need to copy the same thing again. Just recall, I'll just show you the lab file. So this. All right. So we use different commands this time. So here we use create CL module, and we also do the same here, CL module. And at last, we need to do this. Create program. So let's say we call it payroll, and the module here, we have two parameters. First, we need the CL driver program. We call it a driver for a reason. We run the CL program first, so which is this one, and the second param is the RPG itself. This is seems like I clicked something wrong, but anyway, this is what it is. Anyway, I just need to call my completed program. So it's the same basically. Now it's already cleaned up the spooled files. I can just run the same thing again. So exit. So here we see OK to clear out and output queue, the same message. And we are back to 4 files again. So this is about it. And just to review the important concepts we have, I should just show the lab file again. It's basically this. So I guess I can just end this lab6 with this Word file here. Thank you.